In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a domain to GoDaddy step by step in the simplest way possible. If you've just bought a domain somewhere else and you want to move it over to GoDaddy so everything is easier to manage in one place, this guide will walk you through the full process from start to finish. This is especially helpful if your domain is currently registered with a provider like Namecheap or Hostinger and you want to consolidate everything under GoDaddy. I'll also show you the important preparation step on your current registrar, how to start the transfer inside GoDaddy, how to use your authorization code, and what to expect while the transfer is processing. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is prepare your domain from the current registrar. This means going to the company where your domain is currently registered. So if your domain is with Namecheap, Hostinger, or another domain provider, log into that account first. Once you're inside your registrar account, go to the domain management section. This is usually where you can see all of your active domain names and their settings. Find the domain you want to transfer, and then look for the domain lock setting. You need to turn domain lock off before the transfer can begin. This is important because a locked domain cannot be transferred, so make sure the domain is unlocked first. Next, you need to get your authorization code, which is also called an EPP code. This code is basically the security key that proves you're allowed to move the domain to a new registrar. Depending on your provider, you may find this in the domain settings, security section, or transfer section. Once you find the code, copy it carefully. Try not to miss any characters, because you'll need to enter it into GoDaddy exactly as provided. Now that your domain is unlocked and you have the authorization code, the next step is to start the transfer in GoDaddy. Open GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. After you're logged in, go to the domain section. From there, choose the option for transferring domain names. GoDaddy will ask you to enter the domain name you want to transfer. Type it in and continue. On the next screen, GoDaddy will ask for the authorization or EPP code. Paste the code you copied from your current registrar into the field provided. Double check it before moving forward because a wrong code can cause delays or errors. Once that's entered, continue through the checkout or payment step. Depending on the domain and transfer settings, GoDaddy may require you to pay the transfer fee. In many cases, this fee also includes an additional year added to your domain registration. After you complete the payment, the transfer request will be submitted. The next step happens outside of GoDaddy. You need to check your email address that is connected to your current domain registrar. Usually the old registrar will send a message asking you to approve the transfer. Open that email and look for the approval button or link. Click Approve Transfer to confirm that you want the domain moved to GoDaddy. This is a very important step because without approval, the transfer may stay pending or take longer than expected. After you approve it, all you have to do is wait. Domain transfers usually take around 5 to 7 days to fully complete. In some cases, they can finish sooner, but it's best to expect that waiting period. During that time, your domain should remain active, and once the transfer is complete, you'll see it fully managed inside your GoDaddy account. So to quickly recap, the process is unlock the domain with your current registrar, get the EPP code, start the transfer in GoDaddy, enter the code, complete the payment, approve the email, and then wait for the transfer to finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making simple guides for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.